I love growing fruits and vegetables indoor, but I've never grown a bonsai tree before. And I came across this really cool kit and figured I'd give it a shot. So it just came in the mail today, so I figured I'd go ahead, open it up, and show you what everything comes with. So first you can see it does come with this really cool box. And then up top it just has a manual. Then some cool bags. They come with little bonsai maintenance shovels and everything to do your planting and your maintenance as they start growing. Nice little set of pruning shears, because I believe that's the whole point of really growing bonsais, is that you can grow them and shape them however you like. And then these will be the pellets that we water and turn into soil that will end up filling these little grow pots with. So these are really cool. So it just has plastic lining to keep that nice and keep your soil hydrated, but it has a drain hole at the bottom so you don't overwater. So that's nice. And then you have your tags to tag your each tree, and 5 packs of seeds. Oh, and then it comes with the extra little pack. So in case you have some that don't germinate, they give you a few extra that you can try out. So that's really cool. That's always nice. So, and then in the bottom of the container, an overflow drip tray. So as your plants, as you water your plants, you get the water that'll run through. That'll sit in this drip tray, so that way it doesn't get in the bottom of this wood box and make it get all warped and ruined. So guys, I really think this is a really cool kit, and I'm super excited to get it growing. I'll definitely do another video as I get it planted and then as they sprout and get bigger.